Hi friend, I'm Laya. Welcome to this strengthening yoga flow for beginners or for anyone who perhaps has been going through a period of inactivity, or perhaps you have been ill lately and you're wanting to rebuild your strength physically, mentally, and energetically. In just a few minutes, we will strengthen our bodies with simple shapes that you can adapt to whatever you need without any props at all. So bring yourself to lie down on your back, bringing your feet about hips distance apart or maybe a little bit wider, and let your knees rest toward one another, allowing your arms to rest next to your body or maybe onto your belly. And we'll just take 3 breaths here to arrive. In through the nose. Let it go. 2 more like that. Inhale, noticing your belly expand. Exhale to soften and arrive. 1 more deep inhalation. Long, slow, grounding exhalation. Notice how you feel. Notice how you arrive. And on your inhalation, open your arms out to the sides. And on the exhalation, allow your knees to point up toward the ceiling. Continue to keep your feet a little bit wider than your hips. Inhale here, pressing your low back onto the floor. Exhale, allow both knees to go over to the left. They don't have to go very far. Inhale, bring your knees back to neutral. Exhale, take your knees over to the right. Back through center as you inhale. Knees to the left, gaze to the right as you exhale. Inhale through the midline. Exhale, knees to the right, gaze over to the left. Inhale, come back through center. Exhale, heel to your feet toward one another until they're parallel. Bring your arms next to your body with your palms facing down. Press your entire back body onto the earth and stay. Or on your next inhalation, begin to lift your hips up. Now notice here your knees widen. Draw them gently in toward one another. Lift your chest a little bit more up toward your chin. Breathe in. Press your feet onto the earth. Exhale, lower your hips all the way back down. Stay here, or on your next inhalation, lift your feet off the floor, drawing your knees toward your chest. Your arms could stay on the floor, or maybe your hands come underneath your knees or over the shins. Move gently side to side for a moment. Inhale and exhale. Now you could rise up any way you want, or start to rock yourself from shoulders to hips a couple of times, rolling up and down if that's comfortable on your spine, and eventually rise up to a seat. You can take a moment to readjust the seat, keeping your hands underneath your thighs, or maybe your hands behind you on the floor. Feet flat on the floor or toes on the ground. Stay here. Or on your next inhalation, lift your right foot and then the left. And on the exhalation, lower the left and then the right. Inhale, left foot up, right foot up. Exhale, right foot down, left foot down. Do that a couple more times, or maybe this time you lift both feet at the same time. Your hands could stay on the floor or maybe still underneath your legs or forward. Exhale to lower. 1 more, inhale. Exhale to lower. Bring your feet to the floor parallel to one another. Hands to the floor behind you, fingertips facing forward, or dial your hands back, whatever is best for your shoulders. Stay here, or on your next inhalation, lift your hips. Keep your gaze forward. Engage your core. Exhale here. 1 more inhale. And on your exhalation, lower your hips all the way back down. Keep your sitting bones grounded and your spine long. And on your inhalation, lengthen both arms forward and roll your wrists in circles one way. And then as you exhale, roll your wrists the other way. Stay here with your arms forward, or maybe underneath your knees or on the floor, and stay, or maybe inhale, lift 1 foot and then the other, or both. Exhale, lower 1 foot or both. Inhale. Exhale, maybe this time your feet stay up. 1 more deep breath in. And on your exhalation, lower your feet to the floor. Draw the knees wide as the soles of the feet face toward one another. Whether they touch or not is up to you. Lengthen your spine, relax your shoulders, breathe in. And as you breathe out, let yourself fold forward and down. Move your head side to side, move your spine side to side, breathe in. And breathe out. Pause at the center, lift your torso back up. Inhale. And on the exhalation, cross out the ankles and roll forward, or take the legs to one side and bring yourself forward to a tabletop. Hands underneath the shoulders, spread the fingers wide, or maybe make fists. And then bring your knees underneath your hips. Take a moment to find stability and to draw your belly button in and up. Inhale. Exhale, settle into the shape. On your next inhalation, take your right toes behind you, extending your right leg. Keep the toes on the ground as you reach back through the heel. Keep the core engaged and maybe walk your left fingertips slightly forward. You could stay here, or on your next inhalation, really ground through your right hand. Hover your right toes, hover your right hand, or your left hand rather. Exhale, lower it back down. Feel free to do that 2 more times. Inhale to lift. Exhale to lower. Inhale to lift. Keep your core engaged. Lengthen through the fingertips and the foot. Exhale, come down to your tabletop. Move side to side. Breathe in. And breathe out. Pause at the center. Inhale, take your left leg behind you. Toes on the ground. Stretch back to the heel. Notice your core here. And the core is not just your abdominals, but also the back body. Walk your right fingertips forward and stay. Or on your next inhalation, perhaps everything hovers up. Exhale, lower. Inhale to hover. Engage your glutes. Exhale to lower. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, find your tabletop. Bring your big toes to touch. Separate your knees slightly. Bring your hips back toward the heels. And either extend your arms forward or make a pile with your fists and rest your forehead down. Move your hips side to side. Breathe in. And breathe out. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Lengthen your arms forward. Press yourself back to your tabletop. And stay in tabletop. Or perhaps you have 2 choices here. You keep your hips stacked over the knees and walk your hands forward. Your head could rest between your arms, or your forehead could come to the floor. Or if you also wanted to get the legs more involved, tuck your toes, lift your knees, and send your hips up and back for downward dog. But instead of extending the legs fully, I invite you to bend your knees a lot. Maybe your belly even finds the thighs here. And you focus the length from the fingertips to the arms, to the upper body. Engage your core. Inhale. Exhale. 1 more breath in whatever shape you are. Deep breath in. And on your exhalation, start to bring yourself forward to a plank or a knee plank. Hands underneath the shoulders. Take a deep breath in. And on the exhalation, lower your knees to the floor if they're not already there. Rotate your inner elbows gently forward. Grip through your fingertips. Engage your core. Inhale. And on the exhalation, bend your elbows straight back and lower halfway down. Inhale, press yourself back up. Exhale, lower halfway down. Inhale, press up. Exhale, bring your hips back toward the heels. Keep your toes tucked under. And maybe your hands remain on the floor, or you walk your hands in and lift your torso up. If your torso is lifted, take your arms out and up. Inhale, interlace your hands overhead. Exhale, draw your elbows in front of you and take a moment here to move your wrists in circles or circle 8s one way and then the other. Deep breath in. Slow breath out. Release the hands, lift away from your heels, point your toes back. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower your hands down to the floor. Shift your weight forward to a knee plank, or maybe this time you lift your knees off the floor for plank. Inhale. Exhale, bend your elbows halfway. Press back up to your plank or your knee plank. Breathe in. Breathe out, bend the elbows. Inhale, press up. Exhale, hips back. This time to your downward dog if your knees were off the floor, or to your child's pose. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out completely. Notice how you feel. 1 more breath. Inhale. And exhale. Lower your knees to the floor if you lifted them. Take a moment here to move your hips side to side. Inhale. And exhale. Take your right leg behind you once again. Maybe this time your toes float right away. Walk your left fingertips forward and stay, or float your arm. Breathe in. Breathe out. Draw your right knee and your left elbow toward one another. Notice what your balance is like. Stretch again as you breathe in. And as you breathe out this time, lower your left hand, but keep your right toes lifted. Shift your weight slightly forward. Inhale. Exhale, bend your elbows back. Chin comes down toward the floor. Maybe your right heel lifts up. Inhale, press up. Exhale, tabletop. Move your hips side to side as you breathe in and out. Find your stability at the center again. Inhale, this time your left leg goes behind you. Point your toes down. Right hand floats forward. Exhale, right elbow and left knee touch at the center. Inhale to extend. Exhale, knee and elbow touch. Inhale to extend. Exhale, lower your right hand to the floor. Keep your left toes lifted. Inhale to shift a little forward. Exhale, bend your elbows back. Maybe your chin comes down to the floor as your left heel lifts up. Inhale, press up. Exhale, tabletop. Take your hands off the floor. Lift yourself to your knees. Inhale, take both arms out and up. Press your hips forward. Exhale, surrender your hands toward opposite wrists or toward opposite elbows, opening up the front body here. Deep breath in. And on your exhalation, release your arms behind you. Interlace them behind the back. Lift your chest as you draw your shoulder blades toward one another. Inhale again, lift your chest. Exhale, press your hips gently forward. Open through your heart. And you could stay here or start to lower the crown of your head down to the floor. And as you do that, your gaze will go toward your thighs or even toward your belly button. And your hands could stay close to your hips, or you could start to extend your arms up and away toward the head. One more breath wherever you are. Inhale. And on your exhalation, release your arms. Bring them underneath the shoulders. Press yourself up. Inhale, arc your spine into cow pose. Exhale, round into cat. One more. Inhale to arc and open the front body. And exhale to round into cat. Bring your spine to neutral. And then slowly find a seated position of your choice. Take a moment here to move your sitting bones from side to side. Maybe you wobble from side to side. And on your inhalation, stretch your arms forward, face your palms forward. And then rotate your wrists a couple of times one way and a couple of times the other. Stretch your arms straight up, gaze up, inhale. Exhale, surrender your hands once again toward opposite wrist or elbows. Lengthen a bit more, deep breath in. Exhale, lean toward the left, opening the right side body. Inhale through center. Exhale, lean to the other side. Inhale back through center. Exhale, bring your hands behind you. Draw the feet in front of you. Knees are bent once again as we did at the beginning of the practice, or perhaps this time you extend your legs and continue to lift your chest. Whether your legs are extended or your knees are bent, you could also choose to lift your hips off the floor for reverse table or reverse plank. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And as you breathe out, slowly lower your hips back down. Slide yourself down toward the floor. Back comes to the ground. Open your arms out to the sides as you inhale. And as you exhale, cross your right arm over the left. Let your hands melt toward opposite shoulders or cross the arms like eagle. You could also cross your left leg over the right and find eagle on the floors here, squeezing everything to the midline. One more breath. And slowly release the legs and the arms. Open up for a moment. Inhale. Exhale this time. Cross your left arm over the right. Hands toward opposite shoulders. Maybe eagle arms. Maybe the right leg crosses over the left. Breathe. One more breath. And then slowly release the arms, open them out to the side and cross the legs. Take a moment to notice how you feel as you stretch your legs up toward the ceiling. Maybe your hands catch behind your thighs to support the shape. Perhaps you choose to lift your hips off the floor and start to bring your hands to your low back to find your shoulder stand. If you've never practiced this before, perhaps you choose the other option today, but wherever you are, keep your gaze up and breathe. One more breath. If you're in shoulder stand, maybe your toes come over the head for a moment as you slowly roll yourself all the way down. Hug your knees into the chest, move a little side to side. And then eventually lower your feet to the floor, move your hips a little to the right, and allow your knees to melt over to the left for a twist. Your right arm could stretch out to the right, and your gaze could also go to the right. Come through center as you breathe in. Move your hips a little to the left. And on the exhalation, take both knees to the right, left shoulder grounds, maybe look to the left. One more breath here. And then slowly return to center. Give yourself a moment to stretch, to notice how you feel, and eventually roll yourself up to a seated position. Take a moment to rest a hand to your abdomen and a hand to your heart. Notice how you feel physically, mentally, and energetically after this strengthening yoga class. Take a deep inhalation through the nose, letting it expand front to back, side to side, top to bottom. And let go. Open your eyes if you close them. And move on with your day. I hope that you have enjoyed this strengthening yoga class for beginners, or for those that have been a little bit more still than usual and want to rebuild the strength in their body. If you've enjoyed this class, I invite you to also check these out, and I look forward to practicing with you again soon. Until then, take care of yourself and be well. Bye, everybody.